Are you ready to embark on a transformative journey towards a new reality? A reality shaped by your self-concept and consciousness? If you're interested in personal development and self-improvement, then you've come to the right place. Welcome to our channel. Today, we'll explore the pillars of self-concept, the power of assumption and imagination, and the importance of concentrated attention in transforming your self-concept and consciousness. Get ready to create a new reality for yourself. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's begin. Improving self-esteem is crucial for maintaining good mental health. Low self-esteem can be the underlying cause of many psychological issues. To address this, psychotherapist Nathaniel Branden has identified 6 pillars of self-esteem. Let's explore those pillars together. Live with awareness. The first pillar of self-esteem involves consciously living and being aware of the realities that affect our lives. This means seeking out information, accepting it, and acting accordingly. For example, being aware of your financial situation and making necessary adjustments to your budget demonstrates conscious living. Accept yourself. Accepting yourself, flaws and all, is a fundamental pillar of self-esteem. Embracing your strengths and weaknesses allows you to build a healthy self-concept and avoid the trap of comparison. Take responsibility. Taking responsibility for your actions and choices empowers you to shape your reality. By acknowledging your role in creating your circumstances, you can make conscious decisions to improve and grow. Assert yourself. The ability to assert yourself and set healthy boundaries is essential for building self-esteem. It allows you to prioritize your needs and communicate effectively with others. Live intentionally. Living intentionally means aligning your actions with your values and goals. It involves making choices that are in line with your authentic self rather than simply going with the flow. Act with integrity. Acting with integrity means living in alignment with your values and principles. It requires consistency and being true to yourself, even when faced with challenges. By practicing these 6 pillars of self-esteem, you can improve your self-esteem and overall mental health. Each pillar contributes to building a strong foundation of self-concept and helps you align your identity with your values. It also allows you to choose your thoughts, expose yourself to new ideas and environments, and pinpoint your self-concept. With training and practice, you can develop resilient self-esteem that empowers you to live a more fulfilling life. Shifting our self-image is a powerful tool for personal growth and self-improvement. In the previous videos, we discussed the importance of assumption and imagination in this process. Now, let's delve deeper into how these 2 factors can shape our self-image and transform our lives. Our beliefs and assumptions about ourselves play a significant role in determining our potential. If we believe that we are not capable or deserving of success, we will unconsciously limit ourselves and miss out on opportunities. On the other hand, if we assume that we have the power to achieve greatness, our actions and mindset will align with that belief, leading to positive outcomes. Imagination is another key element in reshaping our self-image. By visualizing the person we want to become and imagining ourselves already embodying those qualities, we create a blueprint for our future self. This process stimulates our creativity and activates our subconscious mind, which then works towards aligning our thoughts and actions with our desired self-image. To harness the power of assumption and imagination, it is essential to engage in practical exercises and techniques. These can include visualization exercises, affirmations, and creating a vision board that represents our desired self-image. Consistency and repetition are key in reinforcing this new self-image, as our minds need time to adapt to the new beliefs and assumptions. Shifting our self-image can have profound effects on our confidence, success, and fulfillment. When we see ourselves as capable and deserving, we approach challenges with a positive mindset and are more likely to take risks and seize opportunities. Our self-image also plays a crucial role in achieving our goals and dreams, as it influences our motivation, persistence, and ability to overcome setbacks. However, changing our self-image may not always be easy. We may encounter resistance and challenges along the way, as our old beliefs and habits try to hold us back. It is important to be aware of these obstacles and develop strategies to overcome them, such as surrounding ourselves with supportive people, seeking guidance from mentors, and cultivating a growth mindset. Embracing a positive and empowering self-image is transformative. As we align our identity with our values and choose thoughts that reinforce our desired self-image, we experience a shift in how we perceive ourselves and the world around us. This shift opens up new possibilities and allows us to live a more authentic and fulfilling life. Living in alignment with authenticity means being true to yourself and embracing your unique qualities and values. It involves letting go of societal expectations and external pressures, and instead listening to your inner voice and following your own path. This concept, championed by renowned researchers like Brené Brown and influential speakers like Tony Robbins, has gained popularity due to its profound impact on personal well-being. Brené Brown defines authenticity as the daily practice of letting go of who we think we're supposed to be and embracing who we are. By cultivating self-compassion, letting go of perfectionism, and embracing vulnerability, we can live authentically and improve our overall well-being. Tony Robbins emphasizes the importance of living in alignment with one's authentic self. He believes that true fulfillment and happiness can only be achieved when we live according to our core values and passion. By aligning our actions with our authentic selves, we can tap into our full potential and create a life of purpose and meaning. Research has shown that living authentically has numerous benefits for our well-being. When we live in alignment with our true selves, we experience increased self-acceptance, self-esteem, and overall life satisfaction. By embracing our unique qualities, we foster a sense of belonging and connection with others, as we attract people who appreciate us for who we genuinely are. Living authentically also promotes resilience and mental well-being. When we are true to ourselves, we are better equipped to handle challenges and setbacks. We have a stronger sense of self, which enables us to bounce back from adversity and maintain a positive mindset. By aligning our actions with our authentic selves, we can tap into our inner strength and overcome obstacles with greater ease. Congratulations on completing this journey to transform your self-concept and consciousness. We've explored the pillars of self-concept, the power of assumption and imagination, and how living authentically can enhance your well-being. Remember, transforming your self-concept is an ongoing process that requires practice and consistency. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Share your thoughts in the comment section below, and until we meet again in our next video, keep manifesting and embrace the power of your true self. May your journey be filled with abundance and joy. Take care and see you soon.